this afternoon through this evening. Flash flooding caused by excessive The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Washington County in north-central Maryland, west-central Frederick County in north-central Maryland, north-central Loudoun County in northern Virginia, Jefferson County in the panhandle of West Virginia, eastern Berkeley County in the panhandle of West Virginia, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:27 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Braddock Heights to near Williamsport, moving south at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Martinsburg, Charlestown, Shepherdstown, Brunswick, Ranson, Boonesboro, Wilson, Conococheague, Williamsport, San March, Harpers Ferry, Kearneysville, Corporation of Ranson, St. James, Berkeley, Halfway, Myersville, Lovettsville, Keedasville, Falling Waters, and Sharpsburg. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The severe thunderstorm warning